fact that he was a former member of the Citizens Police Complaint Commission. And currently, the Long Beach Police Department and the City of Long Beach have twice refused court orders to comply with the order to release the names of officers who were involved shootings. I think it was spurred by the case of the killing of Judge Zerby in December of 2010, with the water nozzle. And there have been who knows if it's a rush of them or not, or whether we have started to pay attention to them, but Ishmael Lopez, Jonathan Cabrera, there's been some high-profile police shootings, and while these investigations go on, no one has any idea who was involved. And in the case of the Judge Zerby case, I think it was getting close to a year when the names were finally released as part of the LA District Attorney's report on these shootings. The Police Officers Association and the city contend that it puts officers at risk. The court ruled that that was not the case, that they didn't show any evidence of it. What do you think about should the Long Beach Police Department reveal the names of officers who may have been involved in excessive force, but who in any case have shot or killed people?
I do want to make sure, though, that the comments that we have here are comments that come from us. So I would appreciate that, Mr. Austin, to make sure that that's the case. Do you have a number of implements there that I think are not would most appropriately be shut off? Thank you. As far as the police officers, no matter how much we might think that this is egregious and an outrageous act, the fact is that they have protection. And I know the courts have taken up this matter again most recently. Said that it was, that it supported that the police department did not release those officers' information. So I think that that's something that we have to honor as part of their ability to protect.
I think the court ordered that the names be released, and so far the city is refusing to do it. And I'm asking whether or not the city should comply with the court order or continue to appeal or defy it.
I apologize, that was not the information that I received. So it would be something that, I don't know, do you have more specific information on that? Or okay, yeah, again, I don't know what the ruling was and upon which I made the finding, but I know it was to make sure that we were protective of people, whether the police officers or anything. Get back to me, I'm happy to talk to them.
Dave, that's a very good question. It's a fair question. It's timely. We've had a couple of high-profile incidents. It's noted that I did serve on the Citizen Police Complaint Commission for 4 years. That commission was actually voted on by the city of the voters throughout the city of Long Beach to create to address just these type of incidents. I do think we do have a process, and sitting on that commission for several years, I can tell you that the commissioners are dedicated, the staff is dedicated, and we do all we can to ensure that our residents are treated fairly. But there is something called the Police Officers Bill of Rights. It protects the named police officers involved in such incidents. And let's just be very, very sensitive to the fact that these officers have families. These officers are often involved in sensitive conflicts, and that they are also city employees. So it is a slippery slope. We do face the liability of exposing officers to further danger. And so, with that said, I mean, it's sad when anybody loses their life in conflict with a police officer. We don't want to see this type of activity. More to the point, we should be training our own police officers, and we should have our own academy because you don't know what you're getting when you get officers from other agencies.
So do I take from that you support the city's not release any names as part of the court order or continuing to appeal?
Well, that's the city attorney's call. And I don't think that the city council is necessarily going to legislate above the city attorney's advice.
Okay, Nina? Many of us know that